So this is the engine that came in my long bed Chevy, a 454. When I got it, the guy told me accidentally kicked it into neutral and hit the rev limiter. And after that, it popped, made a noise. So it ran, but it sounded awful. I figured one of these days I'd get around and turn it down because I put a different engine in it anyway. Well, today was that day. It didn't take me very far to figure out what happened. Popped it right through there. You're not supposed to do that, buddy. But yeah, that's the noise. I figured it was a valve just from the sound of it. I was right, somewhat. But yep, good old number 8. Exhaust. So, that was easy.